Weather-versed with meteorologist Marco Lamano.
Good to have you back on your Monday morning with very warm temperatures again. Average overnight low of 75. We're well above that. Upper 70s throughout the Suncoast with some 80s once you get to St. Pete and Clearwater. Now, live Doppler radar, nice and quiet. Today looks to be pretty much what we've seen recently with afternoon, evening storms due to this easterly flow here. So we'll have plenty of rain and storms and some downpours pushing into the area. And then we see this rainfall to the south. Now, this is tropical rainfall from Tropical Depression 9, and this is going to be the big player in our weather this week. So let's talk about it. As of the latest advisory at 5 a.m., winds are at 35 miles per hour. It needs to be 39 to be a tropical storm. It's moving to the west at 9. It's not very well organized because you'll notice this is the center of circulation. So this is where the activity circles around. Yet you'll notice the center of circulation is not in the center of the storm. And there's no obvious tropical storm shape, tropical depression shape to it. So it's not a very well organized system. It's encountered a lot of wind shear, land, and all of that. Here's the projected track. It's going to move to the northwest and then take a quick curve. That's the projected track right now into northern part of Florida. Now, Tampa and Pinellas are in the cone. We're barely outside the cone right now. Regardless, we are expecting plenty of rainfall from this. It doesn't look like this is going to be a hurricane before it makes landfall, which is fantastic. It doesn't look like it'll be a big wind thing. And the reason it's expected to make the curve, it's because this tropical moisture represents Tropical Depression 9. This dry air represents a trough in the jet stream, which is expected to lift, or dip down, drag this out to sea, and then we'll get much cooler and drier air to our north. Now, in the next 48 hours, today's going to be a typical day with the afternoon showers and storms, but tomorrow we could get rain early for the first time in a while because Tropical Depression 9 is going to lift moisture into the area, and we're looking at a much rainier day, rain possible from morning to evening with plenty of downpours. There would be some flooding concerns there as well. Wednesday and Thursday, still very high rain chances, and this is when the system is actually expected to make landfall somewhere in Florida. So on the Mr. Sparky 7-day, rain chances very high through the next several days. We're expecting some drier air and some more pleasant overnight lows by Saturday night by this weekend.